Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe video or a do-it-yourself video, and this is on how to do the new Starbucks tie-dye Frappuccino. Now let me tell all it. You see my hands? It kind of wash out a little bit. All there is trial and error for this year, but I finally found the perfect method of getting the tie-dye in our order, because it was just melting and going all over the place and just doing all kind of craziness. Anyways, let me get into the video. Let me show you how to make the Frappuccino, and then the most important part, the tie-dye part of it. So let's get started. I'm making caramel Frappuccino because I love caramel. So yeah, so for the coloring I'm using green, yellow and red. This is all the coloring that I could have found, and this is the powder ones, right? Green, yellow, red. That's for the tie-dye. I'm using this milk. You could use full cream milk, any milk you want to use. Coffee. This is the coffee I'm using. I don't have the strong ones, so I just go in and put a little bit of water and mix it as strong as I could. For sweeteners I'm using this here, and well, the caramel syrup, and on top this is the whipped cream. So yeah, let's oh yeah, and you will need a blender and some ice. Mine take out the ice now because I want it to melt out. So let's get started with the video. So this is my version of the tie-dye frap. Tastes really good.